Using premium AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Nano Banana Pro, Google Gemini, or Google Veo 3 have always been money consuming. Most people want to use these AI tools, but they are not able to use because they don't have money. If you are also one of them, then you must watch this video till the end. Because after watching this video, you will be able to use premium AI tools for free. Yeah, you heard me right. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria and you are watching Mohit Experience. In this video, I will be telling you a free website. This website lets you use premium AI tools for free. So you can use this website and use any AI tool. So make sure you watch this video till the end, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button. And if you want these types of video in less time, so make sure you follow me on my Insta handle. Now let me tell you this website name and how can you use this website.
So I have come on my laptop window. My laptop screen recording is not working. So what you have to do, just go to this website. This website name is janspark.ai. Just go to this website. As you go, it's like let me so as you go, this interface will open in front of you. You will need to sign up, and I have already done that. So now here you can use any AI tool you want. Let's say I want to generate an image, so I am going there and I would generate an image, and you will see which AI tools I am able to use. Like, let me show you. It is taking some time. uh, like AI image, as you go there, as you can see, like here you will see Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, Dream, Flux, Jet Image Turbo, Chat GPT image. Like at this moment, right moment, Google Nano Banana Pro for image generation, and where is Chat GPT? And ChatGPT image 1.5. Like I personally like these two AI tools for image generation, and I like this. I don't know why, because I personally use these two AI tools. So you can generate an image. I wouldn't show you generating an image because it will take some lots of time. So let me I'm just showing you which AI tools you can use. So let me show you more. Let's say now you want to uh, create AI videos. So just go to AI videos. Here you can use any AI tool like Gemini Veo 3, yeah, Gemini Veo 3, Sora 2 Pro, Gemini Veo 3, Kling V2, Kling Motion Control. Like you can use any AI tool you want for video generation. And if I want to search something like, if I want to search something like, so which AI tool you can use, let me show you. Now let's say I want to search something and I want to use Gemini Pro and ChatGPT. So as you will see, like here you are able to see each AI tool: ChatGPT 5 Pro, Claude Sonnet, Gemini 2.4 Flash, Gemini 3 Flash review, preview, Grok. So you can, by using this website, you can use any AI tool for image generation, video generation, and for search. This is totally free, and yeah, I haven't used this because I personally have GeoSim. So I am a GeoSim user. So I get Google View 3 premium version free and Google Nano Banana Pro version free. So if you don't have, so you can use this website. Let me show you again. This website name is janspark.ai. This is totally free website. So yeah, this was the video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button, and if you want me to create a video on any topic, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.